I'm Allie. Today we're going to assemble one of our shellback Adirondacks. This video can be used for either the Palm Coast Adirondack or the South Beach Adirondack. Before we get started, look over your packet and make sure your packet came with 2 arms, 1 back, 1 short brace, 1 long brace, 2 front legs, and 1 seat. Make sure your hardware pack includes 2 2¼ inch bolts, 8 2-inch screws, 6 1 1/2 inch bolts, 2 1/4 inch lock nuts, 2 1/4 inch washers, and 1 4mm T-handle hex key. You will need a 7/16 inch wrench that is not included in your hardware pack. For some steps, you can use a drill. However, make sure to start your hardware by hand first so you don't strip your screws. In step 1, you will lay your seat assembly on its side and attach the front legs. Use 3 of your 1 1/2 inch bolts. Line up your bolts into the pre-drilled holes of the seat, tighten by hand, then grab your drill. Before you start on the second leg, attach the long brace. Use 1 of your 2-inch screws, line up the screw into the pre-drilled hole. Before tightening, make sure to hold on to the brace so it doesn't twist in your hand while tightening. Now flip the chair over and attach the other leg. Next, insert 1 of your 2 1/4 inch bolts and attach the arm. Here's a tip. Since we haven't used the short brace yet, we can use it to support the arm while we attach the rest of the hardware. Grab a washer and lock nut and tighten by hand. Then tighten with your drill and wrench. You will do the same thing on the other side. Next, insert the short brace into the grooves on the inside of the back leg. Use 2 of your 2-inch screws. Once both sides are tightened by hand, use your drill. The easiest way to attach the back assembly is to first line up the pre-drilled holes of the arm and the back. Insert 1 of your 2-inch screws. Leave a small gap to make it easier to line up your screw into the hole. Next, you will use the last of your 2-inch screws to secure the back to the seat. Tighten all bolts by hand, then use your drill. And there you have it, your POLYWOOD shellback Adirondack, assembled and ready to use. If you have any more questions or need additional support, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing POLYWOOD.